So that's the raptor feeding cage. So that's the dam. What do you guys think? Pretty neat. Lots of people fishing. You can see them. U.S. government. You don't want to go past that sign. What's that? Coffee can? Coffee can? I was like, what? Some kind of something. It's got a... See at the bottom? Weird. Did you see that? Ooh, did you hear that? I bet it was those guys. Interesting place. If you want to see the don't go in there at night, by the way. You can't even see in there in the daytime. You don't know what's in there, guys. Here it is. You can see the stains on the walls from the feedings. Oh, look at that tree. That's cool. Predators up there for sure. Good moss. What is that? Baby somethings? Rats in the trees? Who knows? Okay, bye.